Hey everybody, I'm Ben, and today I'm up at North Anthony in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and changing out a couple parking lot lights. And you can see I'm pretty high up today, so here's some more information. So these these old parking lot lights are old, and we had a hard time trying to find somebody to come up and change bulbs for us. They didn't know what type of bulbs they were, and then if they did, they wouldn't come up and change them. So what I'm doing is we're changing these out for LED light fixtures, and so these are what the old ones look like. Yeah, so now I got to take this off the pole and hopefully set the new one right on it and wire it up, hopefully at the same time. John's retracting the legs on this boom, and we've gotten 2 of the 4 changed. So hopefully this is the ticket. So now we just got to back this up and do the other 2. The last one took me 15 minutes. The first one took me 45. So there are 3 bolts on each one of these, and then the wire sticks out here. I'm assuming that's the black wire, since it has a black little tape on it, but it's hard telling. That one is both reds, so you can't tell which one is black and which one's white, so it's just going to be a guessing game, and hopefully it turns on. So these bolts are extremely rusted. It takes forever to get them out of here, but we're going to see how quickly I can get this done on these. So while I'm doing my test, the one on the right side is working, the one on the left side is not. So now I gotta go tear this apart and find out why those leads that go up to that up there are not working. It sucks. Could be a lot of different things, but obviously I know the reason has got to be between this here. This is what I got to solve next. Figure out why those leads up there are not working. Okay, so I finished replacing the parking lot lights. That's been a ticket now for almost 1.5 years, and they're not on right now, but they do look pretty sharp. I think I'm pretty excited about the progress. The reason why the ones on the left was not working was the previous electrician that I had hired to fix it actually put there's 2 reds down here and 2 yellows on this one. So there's two reds and 2 yellows, and he had both yellows hooked up to the neutral and both reds hooked up to the hot. Well, in reality is it's one red, 1 yellow, 1 red, 1 yellow. So as soon as I fixed that, they started working. I plugged it back into the photo cell, and tonight via the camera here I'll be able to log in and see if I've got parking lot lights. So exciting. That's been a project. So I'm Ben. Thanks for letting me explain what I'm doing today, and make sure to like this video and subscribe.